All right, so I want to talk about the last part of the day here in the class, which is creating your folders for class. So whether you're in the robotics or engineering, principles of engineering, or introduction to engineering design, you're all going to create a class folder. So you can see right here that each one of these is going to create a class folder. So what you'll do is you'll go down to the lower left-hand corner, you'll click on the Windows button, and you'll look for File Explorer. It's a little file folder. Over here then, you need to look for your 1000 drive. So I'm at home, so it's not showing up. That mine is not showing up, but yours should show up there. It should be H drive, an H like it says right here, H colon, and then it'll say 1000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever your 1000 number is. You'll double click in there, and then what you'll have is nothing if you're a new student, or you'll have your stuff from previous years. So what I'd like you to do in there is create a folder for whichever class you are in. So my robotics and engineering class, you can make a folder called Robo and ENG. If you're in, so we'll right click new folder. If you're in my principles of engineering class, we can make one called POE. If you are in the Introduction to Engineering Design, you'll create an IED folder. Then press enter to make that folder. After you do that, you'll double click in there, and then I want you to make unit folders inside that folder. So if we look at IED, I want you to create units 1 through 8. So we'll do that again. Right click, new folder. And I want you to write the word out, unit 1. Right click, new folder, unit 2, enter. You'll do that all the way up to 8. Principles of engineering students, I want you to create units 1 through 4 folders. And I do want you to have the word unit on the title of each one of those folders, just so that there is no confusion. And then my robotics and engineering students, I want you to create units 1 through 5. Yes, we're going to do more units than that, but there's so many, we'll just create the first 5 right now. So once again, we're creating folders in a class folder that you make that is in your 1000 drive. Okay, please, if this makes sense to you, that's fantastic. Help out somebody next to you that they don't understand file management, or they don't know how to get to their 1000 number. Help each other out. It'll be over here on the left-hand side when you get into the File Explorer. Once again, you can get into the File Explorer by going down to the left-hand corner, down over here, and click on the Windows button, and then click on File Explorer. So you'll create a class folder, and then you'll create unit folders inside of that class folder.